Hello, good morning everyone. Today is September 24, 2023 and it's a sunny day here in Bulwak, Cagayan de Oro City. We are the Group 5 and we are here to gather undisturbed soil sample. I am Kathleen Meg Pierrero.
I am Douglas Abrugenia.
I am Antoinette Neri.
I am Jalfo Osto.
I am Muhammad Arifili.
And let's go!
Experiment 1 is conducted to gather an undisturbed soil sample from any location. This soil sample will be analyzed to determine its properties for the construction of a residential building in Apovel, Bulwak. We followed a series of steps to ensure the integrity and preservation of the soil sample for the accurate analysis.
Next up are the equipments used. The following equipments were used for this experiment. First is a shovel used to excavate and remove soil or dirt when creating a hole, trenches, or a foundation for various purposes. Next is a digging bar used to break soil or rocky soil that may be difficult for a shovel to penetrate. It can be driven into the ground by force and used to loosen and break up soil. Third is a mega box will be used to store the excavated soil. Fourth is a gloves used for hand protection and sanitary purposes. Fifth is a measuring tape to measure the desired dimensions of the soil. Sixth is a paraffin wax. It will be used for coating the excavated soil. And seventh is a clean wrap to wrap the coated soil. And lastly is a trash bag.
So let's move on to the next part of this video, which is how we conducted the first experiment. So to start this experiment, we outline the area by 1 meter by 1 meter. This is where we will excavate the soil below the natural grade line. So the standard excavation for construction is 1 meter, therefore we excavated 1 meter below the natural grade line.
After digging 1 meter below the natural grade line, we will outline 8 inch by 8 inch in the excavated depth for our undisturbed soil sample, providing area allowance for the undisturbed soil sample to avoid crumble of our sample. Upon reaching the desired area and size for our undisturbed soil sample, carefully remove the undisturbed soil sample from the 1 meter excavated depth. Together with transporting the undisturbed soil sample below the natural grade line, prepare and melt the paraffin wax.
The next step is to coat the undisturbed soil sample with paraffin wax to initially seal the sample. After coating the undisturbed soil sample with paraffin wax, we then use cling wrap to better preserve the undisturbed soil sample. We then record the supplementary information in A4 size paper to label the undisturbed soil sample. After obtaining the soil sample, we will then analyze its properties in our laboratory with regards to where the desired construction project is situated.